Yes. Hello everyone and welcome you all in the class of mathematics here, and yes, today we will study the topic that rotational symmetry. Here we will see the different phases of rotation through which a triangle, equilateral triangle or different shapes passes through, and during the rotation how many times the figure takes its original shape. That means it fits onto its original shape only, and that decides the order of the figure for the rotational symmetry. Okay, so let's start here. We have that rotational symmetry, and we can understand that a figure is said to have the rotational symmetry property if it fits onto itself more than once during a one complete rotation of 360 degree. That we can understand here by this diagram. That original figure is given here, figure number 1, that is of a equilateral triangle. When this figure rotates through 120 degree, it can take the shape this given here, and you can see it here. I have shown the clockwise rotation in which the point C takes the other place in a clockwise direction only, you can see. So this figure here is rotated through 120 degree. Similarly, you can rotate through 240 degree and 360 degree also, and you will find that the figure will take the same shape. That means it will fix into its original fixed shape, which is the original form in figure number 1. So the number of times the figure takes its original shape means it fits onto its original shape more than once during the complete rotation, then only you will say it has the rotational symmetry, and this only decides its order only, that we will see. So order of rotational symmetry is the number of times a figure fits onto itself in one complete rotation is called the order of rotational symmetry for that figure. Then let us rotate an equilateral triangle through the given angles 120, 240 degree and 360 degree, because we know that by rotating the equilateral triangle through these angles, it will take the original fitting, that means original shape, it will fit onto its original figure, you can say, which is the initial diagram, you can say. Okay, then here the original form is this, which is figure number 1, and this figure is rotated here through 120 degree in the figure number 2 in the clockwise direction. Then here in figure number 3 it is rotated through 240 degree, and then in figure number 4 rotated through 360 degree. Each of the given times means the second figure, the third figure and the fourth figure, that appears just like the original figure number 1. That means if you are putting a frame in just like the original figure, if you are putting a frame and in that frame only you want to fix that object, that figure, then at these 3 times, at these 3 rotations, you will get that shape only, where you can put this figure in that frame. Okay, so this way you can say the order of rotational symmetry of an equilateral triangle is 3. That you can understand summarizing the previous figure here through a diagram. can say the first 120-degree rotation here, again 120 plus 120, this means total 240-degree, and again plus 120 in the clockwise, so it will become now a total rotation of 360-degree angle rotation. Then clearly each of the three times the figure fits onto its original shape, that means figure fits onto itself. Then show the equilateral triangle has the rotational symmetry of order 3 only. This again you will try to understand by understanding the concept of rotational symmetry here. You will see how a equilateral triangle is rotated through different angles, and how many times during a complete rotation of 360-degree it takes the original figure shape. Okay, so you will revise that, and also you will solve the question number 1 and 2 of exercise 14.2 NCERT and draw the diagram of equilateral triangle and show its rotational symmetry also through the diagram. Okay, so thank you all of you and have a nice day.